Yeah, hello everyone. This is Airdrop mining update. Today we'll be talking about some interesting projects that you could get yourself into, and also I'll be talking about some projects that you could check and see if you're eligible, free airdrop for you to claim. So without wasting any time, let's talk about the first one called AriChain. You see, the AriChain, it's a project that I think is still ongoing, and you could still participate in this very project because they just talked about this on their X channel, which is the latest update there, saying sharing the upcoming schedule, and it's like it seems they announced the postponement or whatever it is. So this has not been listed yet. Rather, it's been postponed for the launching. So if you're not doing this, you could still take a visit and get the app from the Play Store, from Apple or Google Play Store, Safari, whatever, and just play around it and see what it's all about. It's like an ant community. So I hope it's gonna be interesting, but for now, you still got some time to jump into it and see. With the latest information dropped here, you could see we will announce the Web3 partnership of Action. So it means something is still going on here. Finally, they said April, early April. So looking forward to that. So there are no delays or postponement. So let's not waste time. The second tool you need to check and see if you're eligible for those two. Those are the free airdrop I'm going to talk about. It's they call the Redstone Finance. So this, all you need to do is just click on this, click on this, you continue and check and see if you're good to go. Then also the other one is called the Helix. This one is a check also for your airdrop to see if you're eligible. You just connect your wallet. You could connect any of your wallet, MetaMask, any EVM wallet, Phantom. You could just check each and every one of your wallet to see whichever one is eligible for you to be able to get this airdrop. So if you have the Phantom wallet, if you got the Trust wallet, if you got the MetaMask, name it a backpack, and so on and so forth, just connect and see whichever. Leave the comment in the description to tell me if you are eligible for this very two project. So without wasting any time, I'm going to talk about the hyped or popular demand project everyone is talking about, everyone is doing. I felt it's right for me to talk about this project since I do talk about testnet and deepin, so I feel I should just throw a little light on this very project called LayerEdge. Most of you might be doing this very project, but just to let my community know of how it's going and how it is, I'm just going to throw a little light into this very project. I think the layer 1 project is a promising one. So I will leave the link in the description in case you haven't started this one. It's an easy to go. Those of us who did the grass, the what's it called, gradients and not pay and so on and so forth. So it's as easy as that. You just have to connect your wallet every 24 hours. You come, you run the node, and that's it. So the link in the description, you could get this started immediately. There's no disadvantage. You could do this on your mobile phone. It doesn't have discrimination on your region. You could do it from any region you find yourself in. So that being said, all you need to do whenever you come in, just make sure you come to this very place that you see stop node. You're also going to take something like start or whatever. So you click on the start and it keeps farming for you. So it keeps running. After 24 hours, it logs out and you come in, you log in every 24 hours. So if you come to these three, like mind you need to connect your wallet, connect your MetaMask or whatever. Even always your MetaMask I always prefer. So you could try your Trust wallet and anyone, but the MetaMask it's more preferable. I think you could also run this on Phantom. I think to be MetaMask it's more preferable. So what you do, it's you click on these three dots. You're going to see something listed by the side, which is a dashboard as the interface we find ourselves right now. So on this other place, you could see something referring to tax. There was a tax we did a few days ago that wanted us to mint, do some minting. One was free and one was 0.0009 Ethereum. So that was done, and these tax were completed by clicking whatever you see right here. You just click and verify. So this being said, or this being done, I don't think it's an hindrance for you not to jump into the project right now, because more tasks might be coming for you to do. And aside from that, the only thing you're not going to be able to complete or confirm here are these two NFTs that we minted. So it's fine. So for the proof and for the other one, I think you could do that, and there might be other coming tags, just like the one they listed here. Link your CLI Lite client, so it's coming soon. We can't do this right now. If you click on it, it's not going to answer. So something else you could do, it's your referral. These were the minting. I'm just going to show you the stuff we minted. We minted these two. One was free. This was free for us to do. So it's just a pass, as you could see indicated here, free, which gives us the power to boost our node points, like when it farms. Then the second one was this one, which we spent 0.009 Ethereum, so less than $1. So that was what we did some few days ago. So aside from that, you could also come to this place where they already wrote claim, and you click on your day script. If you've seen it on your top there, then you need to start claiming it daily. So I'm going to click on claim, and it's just going to go through my wallet. I'm just going to confirm, do the signature, whatever it is, and that'll be all. It's going to give me the points for doing this very task. So like you said, they say complete 7-day streak for 25,000 points bonus. So it means if I'm able to come into this place consecutively for 7 days claiming this streak, then I'll be awarded 25,000 in addition to my farming points. So that shouldn't be an issue for any one of us. So if you got your mobile phone, if you got your tablet, if you got your laptop, you could do this very project. So on the mobile phone, you know the drill. It's all about using your browsers, and it's just as simple as that. It has no extension. As far as I know, there's no extension. It's just everything on that very page. So you just have to. So I've claimed this successfully, and it's just 500 gift to me for claiming this. So you could see 1 week plus 60. So once I get to that 7, definitely I'm going to be giving 25 points. So he told me I've done 5. That's what it indicates there. So that's it. This is a very project called LayerEdge. I think you could also do that on your Phantom. So if you check on your node leaderboard, you could see where I'm ranking at the moment. Most guys are already in millions here. So me, I'm still in my backward position. So but that's good. I'm gonna keep hitting it hard, and I'll see what it's gonna give me, and I think it's gonna be something awesome, despite some people are not into it. But I know it's a popular demand, like the word I use, because I've heard a lot of people doing the project. So it's a common project I think you shouldn't waste, just like the node pea and the grass. If you're not doing those ones also, you need to jump into it. So that's it for now. So quickly, I'm just going to give some little touch around some particular projects I've talked about in time past, which you ought to be doing. If you remember the one I told you about, Hyperliquid, I talked about it. It's like an exchange, just like the Binance and the Bybit and OKS, whatever. So you just have to trade. So they've done the season 1, and this is season 2 going on. What you need to do on this one is just to trade. If you come to this place, you click on the trade, you could do your trading here. They got a lot of openings. They got different kind of coins you could trade on PEP, on sports, whatever you choose to do, you just do that. And you could also stake on your vault here. If you have a vault, you could. Every one of us have a vault, so you could stake. You could stake on the Hyperliquid, the native coin of this very project, Hyperliquid. I would advise you to stake on this one and just let it count. So how does this give you your airdrop? It's the volume you create. When you create your volume, it gives you the ability to get more airdrop. So right now my volume is just 300 or something. So whatever the case might be, it has risen as high as 200, 400. So this is just the value for today. So this is what I have now. But definitely they're going to give you the point system. For some time now, the points have not been displayed, but definitely it's going to display here for you to know what's your point allocation. So never mind, just keep doing that. You could also stake stablecoin USDC, and you stake on any of these validators here, and it gives you point and gives you your volume also. So that's it. Another one I'm going to talk about again is the Plaza Testnet, Plaza Finance. If you're not doing this also, I think it's time you start doing this. All you need to do is just you swap, you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy, you mint, and that's it. You get your points, you climb up on your points here. So the more points you get, as you see here, points N, for interacting with this very protocol, it's the more opportunity for you to earn your airdrop. So that's it. So it's super easy. You just connect your wallet and your MetaMask, and you start doing this buy sell. You have the opportunity to get a daily testnet token. Mind you, this is not real cash, it's just for the testnet. So you come here, every time you click on the get testnet, it will be added to you. That's the point using buying, selling. So you buy on the end. When you're done with the buying and selling here, you come to the leverage. You do the buying and selling also. So when you do this, automatically you're going to earn some points, and that gives you room to your airdrop. Something else we're going to talk about again, it's as we all know, the grass have been doing fine, and so far so good. My have been running very good. You see the graphics here, it's fine. The extension, like I told you guys, that the extension is very, very important. If you ain't got the extension, you won't be able to really run this project. So the extension works alongside with this. As you can see, my referral right here, I got 9 referrals, but only 3 are verified because they've done 100%, 100 hours uptime on the farming. So for those on the 6th year, this 6th year, they are not yet my referral. I will say the word, that's why they use my link, but they're not yet my referral. Not until they stay for 100 hours, which they need to do, because they're also farming to get points, not for myself but for themselves also. So that being said, and as we know, this is the Air Push 5, I think so. Yeah, the Air Push 5 they're already doing, and we know the last time we got this one for the season 1, they stayed up to Air Push 8 or thereabout. So if you did grass in the previous season 1, the season 2, you should be doing it, I believe so. So for those ones who haven't started it, they can also jump into this very project and start farming this very project for them to get an airdrop. So beyond the push 5 right now, you still got the opportunity to jump in and farm and get some more points for yourself. So like I showed you earlier on, you could see it now. It's on the push 5 currently. So that's it, and these are the points I got there, which will be turned into an airdrop. So something else I want to talk about is the Genesis. The Genesis we've been talking about. We've been talking about this project for a very long time now. Definitely there are more things you need to do on your what's it called, you need to do on your Discord. Yeah, on your Discord. So your Discord, you got a lot of tasks that penned in there for you. So right now they finished the project on the website here, but you could also still join, connect your MetaMask wallet, like I always say AVM wallet, I think MetaMask also, and do the few tasks that are there for you to do. You're not still too late because they haven't announced the airdrop date. They said Q1. We're still in the Q1, almost ending the Q1 if I'm not mistaken. We're in the last phase of the Q1, so we haven't got any recent update. So for the last time, the name of the coin you're going to be earning is Z coin. So as you could see here, this was what the adventure has ended here until next time. So this has been displaying like this for 2 weeks now. So previously we had a tax. If you watch my previous video, we have a tax that we normally come here to claim something daily, some points. So once you join, you are meant to perform this task and get some points. Then you move over to your Discord, verify yourself on Discord, stay on the Discord, and gather more Z coin points from your Discord. With this, I bet you're going to have enough position, enough tokens to receive as an airdrop when it's been given. So that'll be all for now. Do not forget to